Hi friends, for our word work center today, we're going to use the hat that we just made at Art Center and we're going to work on rhyming words. So we're going to think about words that rhyme with the word hat, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is write the word hat on my hat, okay? So hat. Hat. On each stripe, you're going to write a word that rhymes with hat. Okay, let's do one together. Let's throw hat first. I hear hat. Now I want to think of other words that have that at ending. Hat. What about cat? At. Cat. All right, I'm going to write it. Cat. Okay, I have hat, cat. Let's throw them. Ready? At, at. All right, friends, your job is to think of other words that are in the same word family. So we have hat, cat. Come up with other rhymers for hat and cat. Remember, you're going to use the same ending, A-T, at. All right, boys and girls, remember to bring your hats back here for writing, and Mrs. Newlands and I will see you soon.